Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. Kyphoplasty versus vertebroplasty differences compared. The main difference between kyphoplasty and vertebroplasty is that kyphoplasty uses a balloon to help restore the spine's height and shape, while vertebroplasty does not. Both procedures use bone cement to stabilize the fractured spine and are effective in reducing pain. Kyphoplasty is generally more expensive than vertebroplasty for out-of-pocket Medicare costs. Both procedures are considered safe, with a low risk of complications. Cement leakage is the most common complication, but is usually asymptomatic. Both kyphoplasty and vertebroplasty are effective in reducing pain, with patients reporting significant improvements in pain levels after the procedures. The decision between kyphoplasty and vertebroplasty depends on factors like the type and severity of the fracture, and is made by the interventional radiologist or neuroradiologist performing the procedure. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. Less than /speak.